In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable this secret button on your Samsung phone. If you click on that secret button, this is what you're going to see. You see the assistant menu and accessibility. You can click on accessibility and the secret button will take you down here. And if you click on the secret button again and tap assistant menu, here you should see your Samsung phone assistant menu. So if you don't know how to turn on this secret button on your Samsung phone or on your Android phone, I'm going to show you everything you need to do in this video to make sure this secret menu is enabled. Now, to turn on this secret button on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, scroll down and click on accessibility, then tap advanced settings, click on accessibility button, then tap select actions. Here choose accessibility and choose other thing you want to include in the secret button. Once you click on accessibility, then you should see the secret button enable. Here you can add other features like extra dim, amplify ambient sound, mute all sound. Just list everything you want to add into the secret button in your Samsung phone. Once you're done, hit the back button and then tap on the secret button at the bottom right. Then you should see all these features disabled. Then tap on extra dim. You can see we have extra dim on your Samsung phone. Tap on the secret button again to turn it off. Tap on this, click on live transcribe. Once you hit live transcribe, your Samsung will be prompted to allow your microphone. Choose while using this application and you should see ready. With the secret button turned on your Samsung phone, you'll be able to use transcribe automatically on your Samsung phone as you speak. So the next you want to do, click on this and tap assistant menu to turn it on. Once you turn that on, this is what you're going to see. Then you'll be able to navigate your Samsung phone screen and menu right from your phone home screen. Now, lastly, if you click on the script button again and click on voice access, you will be able to use voice access on your Samsung phone. So you should see that says phone call setting. Voice access needs permission to make and manage phone calls. This allows you to control whether voice access is used for calls or stop listening when you are in a call. Then tap on the continue button, then tap allow. So with this, you can use voice access on your Samsung phone to make phone calls. So this is how to turn on or enable the secret button on Samsung phone. If you found this really interesting, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.